Hello viewers, welcome to Excel formula video tips. So in this video I will show you how you can use the sum function in Excel. So here I will show you two different tips that you can calculate the sum. So here you can see a list of numbers. So you can calculate the sum very easily by using the sum formula. So just go to formula bar and press equal and write sum function here, and then open bracket, and then select the cells that you want to calculate the total, then press the close bracket and then press enter. So now you can see the total of this number is 165. It starts from A33 to A42. So this is one technique. So if you want to calculate the sum of these whole numbers, like there is one table, two table, and table 3 and table 4. So there are four tables. So if you want to calculate the sum of these four tables, so you can do it very easily. Just click one cell that you want to calculate the sum. So here I want to calculate the sum. So just press uh, equal and write sum, open bracket, and then press Ctrl key from keyboard and then select this cell and again select this table and then select the third table and then select the fourth table. So here you can see I have different data here including text, and you can use also the decimal number here. So it will also only calculate the number formats value, so it's no problem here. So if you have a text value and then close the bracket here and then press enter, so now you can see the total value of these values: table 1, table 2, table 3 and table 4. The total sum is 3492. So I hope this will help you to calculate the sum of different numbers from different tables. And there is another tips I want to share, that is auto sum. So in my keyboard it doesn't work here. So for this you just click these two tables. So if you use the external keyboard, so you just try this one. Just click this all the numbers and press only alter plus equal button from your keyboard, and it will give you a sum of this cell here and some of these numbers will be present here, and the sum of these numbers will be present here. That's all.